Good morning, guys. How was your night? I hope we all had a decent trading week. Well, this week has been eventful. I mean, from Monday, we've just seen a massive sell off from Euro USD. And you can see why I always say use quarterly opens, monthly opens, weekly opens as confidences. You can see right here, it acted as this major area of support and then just push the market down, so for this whole week we've just been, dollar has been bullish and therefore we've been selling the euro dollar. Okay, so now you can see swing wise now we're bearish, so all we're just looking for is for the sells, right? So where are we going to look for the sells? We're going to look for the sells from here, because if we go to lower, or from here, right? So here we have this imbalance, this area of consolidation, liquidity building underneath. We can come here, swipe it, maybe wick this, and then we just go down and set it towards next week. So for now we just wait. This week it's made its move, it's taking out this lows here, and so we still have this open areas here, so we'll be looking to take out this area for next week. Let's see how that goes. If we go to the dollar, right? So remember from yesterday I've been saying, okay, from last week, like for a week now, I'm saying once the dollar crosses above here, we don't want to look for sells no more, we're looking for buys. Now if we take this, let's delete this. If we take this right as sell before the buy up, so we want a retracement into here. You can see dollar is already tightening, so we want a deeper retracement, and then before we buy, building liquidity right above this area of demand too. So beautiful. We watch it for next week. Okay, if we go to GBP USD, I mean, we've been talking about this one touch, two touch, three touch, right? Breakdown, retest, then came down again. Now all we just want to look for is sell. We can look for from this buy before the sell. You can see it broke it and then wicked it and then just continue selling. That shows you how bullish it is. So how bearish it is rather. Okay, so here you can see grab liquidity right here, this build up, grabbed it and then started to sell, and this was probably our chance to get in. And a week, once it's sold, we did in, and then we put our stop right above here, and our target will be this liquidity low right here, probably for like a 1 2 3 if I'm not mistaken. So entry right here, stop right here, and then okay, we're at like a 1 to 1.5. Okay, so you can see the idea behind the trade, right? So now we just want to look for sells, because even with the dollar it's bullish. Now with AU, I'm liking this now. Remember, I haven't liked it in a long time. Now it's coming back. Okay, so we have here this area, this imbalance that can act as a supply level to push the market down lower. Okay, and you can see similar thing again. The quarterly open came here, acted as resistance, came here again, acted as resistance. It's just beautiful. Always keep an eye out for that. Always keep an eye out for that. It's a good confidence to add to your trading arsenal. Okay, so you can see now we have this buy before the sell down, which broke fractal structure, right? So it took it out here, so now that's what's pushing the market lower. So we just want to wait. I would like, as I said yesterday, want this area acting as like in liquidity, so taking it out, coming here to retest, and then we can find further sales if it gives us that. If we go to Aussie dollar, right, with Aussie dollar, I'm sorry, with Kiwi dollar rather, what am I saying? Yes, with Kiwi dollar, New Zealand USD. A similar structure, right? This buy up before the sell down, breaking this consolidation, weaken it, and then just continue selling. So all we're just looking for is for the sells into next week. Fractal structure is bullish, is bearish now, right? Swing structure on daily two is bearish. We have this area of this buy before the sell down, and then we just want to this liquidity resting right beneath it, and then we just take it out and keep selling. And then we have gold yesterday. If we start from the daily time frame, we took a sell position yesterday. If we start from daily time frame, right, so you can see here high, right? So we have this low retrace, this was the high, and then this is the low. So now we have here support, 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 broke it. Resistance is our daily supply, coincides with the quarterly open, also coincides with what, with the 0.5 fib level. Right, coincide with the 0.5 fib level, which is now acting as a resistance. So that was that was the idea behind it. And daily fractal was already broken. So it was our fractal low, our fractal high, and it got broken. Now this becomes our fractal high, this becomes our fractal low. This is our daily supply. Now we're just looking for further position. So before we enter in position, what do we need? We need liquidity. If we go to the 1 hour, 4 hour, you can see from this high to this low. Now we're just having a retracement into here, and then we're just coming down. So I found this, okay, this liquidity area, grabbed, and then change of character, came back into it, and then you can sell it from here. But I was late into the party, so I waited for that second fractal break again. Once I had that second fractal break, I found my entry, and now we're just looking for a 1 to 2 just to take it out. Normally our target would be right here, this equal lows right here, but you know, I don't want to hold it over the weekend. Don't want to expose ourselves to that, so we'll just wait till it gets taken out. And then my GBP trade, I closed it for a 1 to 1. So what do we have? Remember, why did I close it? Because we had, like, on the daily, you can see there's no clear area of demand which took liquidity, right? These are just ascending lows, which is still liquidity, right? For it to be grabbed, that grab liquidity. So I expected that push up. That was what I wanted to take advantage of. I did for 1 to 1, although it still gave me a 1 to 2, right? If you look at it, 1 to even almost 3, right? 1 to 2.8, but I didn't close it at that point. I closed at like 1 to 1. So take note of that. I wish you a great trading week. Finally, let's analyze a JPY pair, and then we go. So you can see with JPY, we had this. We're looking for the sweep and then a change of character. So here we had the change of character, and we're just having a retest, and then we can take it into higher prices. That makes sense? Yeah, right here. Just looking for that retest to take it into higher prices. Okay. I wish you a great weekend. Back test, study, and get ready for next week. We're gonna make a lot of money.